You want to build a new home but don't know where to start. Stay tuned and let's chat new construction. Roll the intro. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for joining in. My name is Victor Prasad. I'm a real estate broker here in Southwest Florida, servicing Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Bonita Springs, and Estero. I create content showcasing Southwest Florida through video and answer some of the most frequently asked questions on the internet. So if you're considering moving or relocating to or from Southwest Florida, be sure to call, text, or email me. By the way, if you found one piece of information in this video helpful in any way, be sure to hit that like button, which helps my channel being found through YouTube's algorithm. So, thank you in advance. In today's video, we're talking about a simplified checklist to build your home here in Cape Coral and its surrounding cities. Let's talk about where to start. And if you want to know specifics, I encourage you to click the info card where I have playlists more in depth about new construction, financial process, choosing land, choosing builders, and more. Let's jump in. Step 1, identify your price point and apply for financing. What is your maximum down payment and or maximum monthly payment? Once you have your number, you'll be able to identify the area, land acquisition costs, square footage of the home, and or amenities like pool, dock, and seawall. Also, whether or not you're overbuilding or underbuilding for that area. If you want to know more about the area or purchasing land, click the info card for a list of videos. Still under financing, step 1. If you're building a custom home and have identified the builder, you'll have to coordinate the financing and approval of the general contractor if you want to use your bank. On the other hand, you can see which bank the custom home builders are approved with and go through them. Now with a production builder, their process is more streamlined, where they have a list of preferred lenders that they use, which they are approved with. And all you have to do is apply with them, where they have a draw system already worked out for the builder to receive a portion of the monies to build at different phases of the project. Step 2, choose your location. If you're building a custom home, you'll be able to pick wherever you would like. If you are choosing a production builder, then you will be able to pick the location based on that builder's inventory. Or you can choose the location you want, and there are production builders who will build on your lot. I've also made a video on the different types of builders who build homes in Cape Coral. Click the info card for a complete breakdown. Step 3, choose your floor plan. If you're building a custom home, you'll have to sketch a design or work with an architect to develop the floor plan. If you decide to choose a production builder, you are able to choose from the floor plans that they have. The pros to using a production builder is that the builder should have a set price, what the estimated cost would be to build a home. The con is, depending on the builder, you may be limited to the interior and exterior customizations. Step 4, choose your builder. In Southwest Florida specifically, there is no easy way to explain this. Depending on steps 1 through 3 and what you're looking for specifically, then I will be able to give you a better direction or answer. I've created a video with a full breakdown of the different types of builders. Click the info card to see that video, or go to my channel and look for a new construction playlist. Step 5, construction process. We're at the point of construction. So what this looks like is grading the lot, setting the dirt pad, plumbing, foundation, walls, trusses, roof, windows, doors, interior framing, electrical, plumbing, drywall, cabinets, granite, floors, paint, trim, landscaping. All these things are predetermined at the time of your blueprint. Any changes that are made at any point of this process may cost you big bucks, depending on what stage you're in. Step 6, the final walkthrough. Once construction is completed, you'll do something called a punch list. This is the time to go through the home and button up the final details. Usually the builder has the project manager and use blue tape or red stickers to identify things that need to be fixed in a home. However, they are human and they miss items from time to time. Most builders in the area offer a 1-2-10 warranty. The 1-year warranty provides surety coverage and backs the builder's warranty on defects in workmanship and materials. The 2-year warranty provides surety coverage and backs the builder's warranty on defects in the wiring, piping, ductwork, in the electrical, plumbing, heating, cooling, ventilating, and mechanical systems. The 10-year structural warranty provides direct coverage from the day of closing for major structural defects. From here, the builder would have ordered the certificate of occupancy. Once a final inspection has taken place, the lender's package will be prepared. Title company will set up a closing time. You sign the paperwork and that's it. You own a brand new home. Now, step 7, the to-dos, the final to-dos. At this point, you want to be sure to update the following: your utilities, water, electric, trash removal, cable, and internet. And you may want to consider updating the following addresses, depending if this is your primary home or secondary home: your voter's registration, driver's license, all mailings to your new home address, credit card, checking, banking statements, auto payments that come out of your checking account, Amazon, cell phone bills, car registration, car insurance, homeowner's insurance, eBay, attorney, accountants, post office, tax agencies, Social Security Administration, your employer, subscription services, clubs and organizations, online shopping sites, and of course, friends and family. This checklist is a simple overview. If you have specific questions or comments or your own personal experiences, drop them in the comment section below. If you want to know more about new construction, be sure to click the info card for the playlist of videos for new construction. All right, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're thinking or even considering relocating to Southwest Florida, be sure to call, text, or email me. I'd love the opportunity to connect with you. And if you want to know more about working, living, playing here in Southwest Florida, then if you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button, click that bell notification so you're kept up to date with the latest content. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, own more real estate.